Hello, my little ones. Do you know me? I am your Krina ma'am. Children, yesterday we have learnt pre-number concept up, down, up, down. So, today we will revise it with rhyme. See, saw, up and down. Which is the way to London town? One foot up and other foot down. That is the way to London town. Let's see some pictures to learn it better. Children, you can see these pictures in your maths class workbook, page number 25-26. Children, look here. In this picture, the balloons are up yani uppar, and the children are down yani niche. In this picture, the boy is climbing up and the boy is sliding down yani niche. In this picture, the children are up and children are down. बच्चों बोलो मेरे साथ, up, down. Let's revise one more time. बच्चों आपको भी मेरे साथ बोलना है. Okay? Let's start. The children are up and the boy is down. In this picture, the boy is climbing up and here the boy is sliding down. In this picture, the children are up and here the children are down. Now it's time for an interesting activity. It's activity time. For today's activity, we will need a house, a picture of dog, bone and a ball. This is my dog. His name is Scooby. This is my house. These are stairs. ये मेरा डॉग है स्कूबी. ये मेरा हाउस है. ये है मेरे घर की बाहर की सीढ़ियाँ. स्कूबी मेरे घर के बाहर बैठा है. स्कूबी इज सिटिंग आउटसाइड माई हाउस. ही इज वेरी हंग्री. उसको भूख लगी है. ही वॉन्ट्स टू ईट हिज बोन and his bone is here. Do you know, children? Dog loves to eat bones. So, what will he do now? बच्चों, अब वो क्या करेगा? Yes, Scooby will come down. Down मतलब नीचे. अब वो खाना खाने के लिए नीचे उतर रहा है. देखो कैसे उतर रहा है नीचे. See, now he saw a bone and started eating. Now Scooby finished his bone. Now he wants to play with his ball. अब स्कूबी को अपने बॉल के साथ खेलना है. बट वेयर इज अ बॉल? यस, अ बॉल इज हियर. उसका बॉल तो यहाँ ऊपर है. ऊपर मतलब अप. सो स्कूबी विल क्लाइंब अप द स्टेयर्स to play with his ball. देखो कैसे स्कूबी सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ रहा है. देखो अब स्कूबी आगे जाके उसके बॉल के साथ कैसे खेल रहा है। See children, Scooby is very happy. Did you enjoy this activity? Yes. So kids, which topic did you learn in today's activity? Yes, we learned about up and down. Up यानी ऊपर, down यानी नीचे. Up यानी ऊपर, down यानी नीचे. Up, down, up, down. Children, I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Now, see the solution of the practice worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to observe the position in each picture and circle the appropriate options. In the first picture, you can see the boy is climbing up. So, I have circled the arrow which is pointing up. In the next picture, bananas are coming down from the stairs. So, I have circled the arrow which is pointing down. The next picture, the boy is climbing up on the tree. I have circled the arrow which is pointing up. In the next picture, the boy is hanging down from the tree. So I have circled the arrow which is pointing down. In the next picture, the boy is sliding down. So I have circled the arrow which is pointing down. In the next picture, the boy is climbing up. I have circled the arrow which is pointing up. I hope children you all have done the same way. Good job. Okay children, keep practicing at your home. See you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.